If that is the trend, Honorable Ssekikubo is my neighbor. His constituency immediately borders mine. On a daily or weekly, I have had news on our local radios talking about Honorable Ssekikubo to be a land grabber and to be facilitating land grabbing. I have never taken it as an issue, and yet his involvement at whatever level affects the reputation of this parliament, being that he's a member of parliament. I have never thought that what you pick on the media becomes an issue for debate and discussion. Is it therefore in order for Honorable Ssekikubo, who knows that he has been repeatedly accused for grabbing land, evicting people? There are cases of murder reported at police involving his name.
Right, Honorable Speaker.
Let's first dispose of some MPSs. Next item.
Item 3.
Right, Honorable Speaker.
I have said next item.
Speaker.
Motion for adoption of reports of the following sectoral committees on the ministerial policy statement and budget estimates for the financial year 2024-25. Item 3.1, the Committee on Foreign Affairs.
Honorable members, this morning the House proceeded with the consideration of the sectoral committees, reports on the ministerial statements, pursuant to Rule 149 of the Rules of Procedure. As I guided in my communication, I expect the presenters, I expect Honorable Ssekikubo.
Madam Speaker.
Honorable Ssekikubo. Honorable Aliek.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, you have already made us to proceed with the next item. And in your wisdom, Right Honorable Speaker, you have already seen that what has been brought in front of you by Honorable Ssekikubo cannot be discussed now in this parliament. Right Honorable Speaker, you have already ruled it, and you are already making us proceed with the next item. So is Honorable Ssekikubo in order to take us back when we are really discussing very, very important issues on the floor of Parliament? Right Honorable Speaker. And he's ordering you, Right Honorable Speaker, and when you are speaking, he's also speaking, and he has got stuck on the microphone, Right Honorable Speaker. Is he in order? He does not respect your chair, Right Honorable.
Love. Honorable members, I am the one who said I will give time for that discussion. And I have said I will give time. I have very important issues that are statutory in nature to be handled. So if you don't respect the chair, Honorable Ssekikubo, unless if we have more than one speaker in this house, much as I try to be patient, don't touch the wrong side. I have actually said, I have not even allowed the issue of, accommodated the issue of theft of land, because it is a hearsay. Honorable Bua, your members. You first sit. No, first sit. Honorable member, I want to refer you to Rule 2024 on contempt of Parliament. Chairperson, Foreign Affairs.
Right Honorable Speaker.
Can I hear from the law? Can I hear from the law?
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, I'm raising a point of procedure which I think will help to guide. I did raise this issue here on the floor regarding the public outcry on the expenditures by Parliament and the Commission. And one of the prayers I was making at the time that I did make was that Parliament comes out to explain properly and formally, because it's important that we be accountable to the people. We are a people-centered Parliament. And that's one of the asks that I did make. And I think it's following up to say, can that get to happen? And maybe you can guide, Right Honourable Speaker, when that guidance can get to happen, when the public can be explained to by the people-centered Parliament, so that it doesn't get to appear as if we don't want to be accountable or want to push things under the carpet. An explanation to the public for which we speak here in Parliament about those expenditures. So I procedurally ask that you guide when that can happen, because it will settle many things. Also get to explain to the people out there that this is what happened and this is our formal explanation, so that it is also not rumors, because what's been happening is some people come out to speak on behalf of Parliament, maybe with inadequate information, and so it throws a lot more confusion out there. So would it not be procedurally right that Parliament formally comes out to explain all these issues so that the public is settled and they get to know, okay, so this is what happened. Maybe if there's a supplementary question from the public, they get explained too. Thank you.
Joel, I told you.
To substantiate.
You first
We're aware that
Honorable Ssekikubo, first wait. The person who raised the issue, where is the person? Because I want him to be here when you're responding. Where is Honorable Kimosho?
Because